Hello and welcome to the video for the solution on the Christmas challenge I set you. So I'll go straight into it. I'll probably make 2 or 3 videos of the solution rather than just one long one. So the first thing I'm going to do is do the first part, which will be VLANs and the routing on the stick solution. Then I'll go on to the DHCP solution, and then we'll go on to the RIP and the domain or web server part of it. So the first thing I need to do is put these IP addresses onto this part of the VLAN. So I'll do that as quickly as I can. Okay, so I'm just going to be checking as well once to make sure that there's no typos in here. There were little errors like you can see here, but we can fix those as we go along. I did say that if you spot anything obvious, you can change the scenario to fit. The main thing was just getting the solution at the end. Okay, I'll come back and check these at the end if we get any problems pinging or anything like that. So this was the one 172.16.30.11, and it was 172.16.30.1 it should have been. Okay, so there's the IP numbers done. They won't be able to ping each other because they're all different ranges. The next thing we'll need to do is create the VLANs. We've got 3 VLANs to create: naughty, nice and undecided, 10, 20 and 30. So enable conft and no IP domain lookup. That will help with any errors that we get if you do any typos. So first thing we need to do is VLAN 10, name is naughty, exit. VLAN 20, name is nice, oops, exit. VLAN 30, name is undecided. Okay, if I do show VLAN, you'll see that we've got naughty, nice and undecided. I put mice in, but then I changed it, so that's fine. And I'll need to do the same on the other switch, so we need to quickly do that. So enable conft no IP domain lookup, VLAN 10, name naughty, exit. VLAN 20, name nice, exit. VLAN 30, name undecided. And I'll just make sure that they've been done correctly. Yeah, 10, 20 and 30. So we've got our VLANs made. So it says on switch 1 and switch 2 we could also do name switch 1. Okay, we'll come back to that a little bit later on. So we've got switch 1, switch 2, configure the VLANs, assign IP and address IPv version 4 address to the VLAN 99. So we might as well, we'll come to that one at the end. Assign default gateway switches on switch 1, force trunking. So, and on switch 2, force trunking. On switch 1, assign FA06. So I'll come on to number 10 now. So they say in FA06. So interface F06. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. I think that's the only one on that one that we're doing. So if I do exit to show VLAN, so I do show run, we should see that Fast Ethernet or 06 is in VLAN 10. It will show it there as well. Quickly, there's two ways to look really. I did show VLANs, or you can do show run. So there's that done. So this one is switch 2, and we have got to 14. So interface F0 14. Switch port access, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20, exit, and then it was interface F020, switch port mode access VLAN 30, exit, and do show VLAN, and we've got 14 and 20 in the correct VLANs. So 13, 20, that's correct. So that's been done. Assign default gateways or force trunking. Okay, so let's go back to this switch, and we need to which ports is it saying to do? So force trunk on F01 on F02. So interface F01, and then that's just switch port mode trunk, and exit, and F02 switch port mode trunk. So if I do show VLAN, do show VLAN, okay, I'll do show run, and we can see switch port mode is trunk is on 01 and is on 02 and 6 is in VLAN 10, so that's good. And now we need to go and do switch 2, which was FA02. So interface F02, switch port node trunk to show run, and that's in the correct trunk as well. So we've assigned default on we forced trunk in, but we haven't used VLAN 99 yet. So we might as well start doing VLAN 99 as well. So let's go back into this one, and VLAN 99 as the native VLAN 99 management. So assign IP4 addresses to VLAN 99 and switch 1 and 2 in this management. So VLAN 99, and we will do name management. Exit to show run. I should have done to show VLAN. And it's 99 management, that's good. Okay, so I've made it. So the next thing we need to do now is give it the IP address, and so that'll be interface VLAN 99, interface VLAN 99. Because I've gone into interface now, it's changed the state to up, and then I need to do IP address, which will be 172.16.99.2 255.255.255.0, and IP default dash gateway is going to be 172.16.99.1. Okay, so that's our to show run, and we should see at the bottom VLAN 99 IP address and the gateway, and it's 99.1. Yep, that's all correct. So the next, I need to do that again on this one. So that'll be exit of that, VLAN 99, name management, and I will do interface VLAN 99 and do IP address one 172.16.99.5 and IP default gateway will be 172.16.99.1. Okay, and I'm just going to do show run because I want to make sure that all your ports and everything are assigned correctly. 1699, because if you get the default gateways wrong, we will be in trouble. So I think that's all of that done. The next thing we need to do is go and configure these on the router now. So let's have a look at the router. Command line enable conft no IP domain dash lookup. Okay, so what we need to do now is create. We've done the gateways and everything. We just need to create the path in for all of this. So we need to do sub interfaces. If you can remember that from the last time we did routing on a stick. So we need to go to interface F00.10. Okay, and then you can see it's gone to sub interface there, and this is where I need to do encapsulation. So encapsulation .1Q 10. Trying to remember that correctly. So that, I think that's pretty much it. Encapsulation .1Q10, and then IP address. I'm working on this one here. 172.16.10.1 and 255.255.255.0. And no shut. Exit out of that, and then I can use the commands I've already used. 20 and I can just change that to 20. No shut. Exit, and then 30. Oh, I've just given the same name, and I should change that to 30. And then 172.30.1. No shutdown. Exit that, and the last one will be 99. And that was 127.16.99. No shutdown. And I think that should pretty much be it. If I do show VLAN. Okay, exit. I probably need to do show run. Let's have a look. Okay, there they are. So I can check it all. .0010, .1Q10, that 10.1, .20, 20, 20 there, that's correct. 30, 30, 30 is there, 99, 99, 99 is there. So all that is correct, but I'm seeing that the port F00, interface F00 still hasn't come online. So I can go to, I'll be lazy and I'll go to turn it on, and then that should turn green. That should turn green in a few moments as well. So I can try speeding the whole process up. If we fast forward time, and now should be able to, these should be able to ping. So if I move this across, let's just try a few ping exercises from there to there. Successful. And from there to there. Successful. There to there. Successful. So I'll delete all of those. And now from here to here. Successful. So we've got our first stage, or part one of this done. We've configured the routing on the stick. So I'll stop at this part and come to part two when I come and show you the next part of the solution, just in case you need to pause and stop and do any troubleshooting.